Hello everyone, welcome back to Techno Yara. If you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, you probably know that creating promotional videos can be expensive and time-consuming. Hiring models, setting up cameras, and managing video shoots isn't always easy. But what if you could create realistic, marketing-ready videos in just a few minutes using AI? Well, today we're taking a look at UGCvideo AI, an interesting platform that lets you create AI influencers, talking videos, and promotional content with just a few clicks. In this video, I'll walk you through its features and share my experience while using the platform. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
First, visit the official UGCvideo AI website. You can find the link in the description below. On the home page, you can see all the information about this platform. First, we need to create an account. So, click on the Sign Up option. Now, enter your email address and choose a strong password. You can also sign up directly using your Google account. After that, click on the Sign Up button. You will receive a 4-digit verification code in your email. Simply enter the code to activate your account. If needed, you can resend the verification code from the Resend Code option. Once your account is activated, you'll receive 30 credits as a welcome gift. And here's another good thing. After you start your first generation, you'll receive an additional 30 credits. So, new users can get a total of 60 credits to explore the platform and try its features.
So this is the dashboard of UGCvideo AI. Right away, the interface looks clean and beginner-friendly. On the left side, you can see all the major tools including UGC Character, UGC Ad Video, UGC Image, UGC Video, Talking Video, Motion Sync, Community, and Assets. Instead of just talking about these features, let's explore them one by one and see what they can do. Let's start with UGC Character because this is where you can create your own AI influencers and custom avatars. You can create characters in multiple ways, including starting from an image, describing your character with text prompts, building a custom character, or even generating influencer-style avatars. You can also explore community characters. If you find something interesting, you can download it or even recreate it using the same prompts. As you can see, the image quality looks really impressive.
Let's start by creating a character from an image. First, upload a reference image. I'm using this image for the demonstration. Next, enter a character name and optionally add a background story to give your character more context. Then, select the AI model according to your preference and click on Generate. After waiting for a few seconds, our AI character is ready. As you can see, the generated image looks quite realistic and the quality is impressive. On the right side, you can also see some other characters that I created during my testing, and the results were surprisingly good. Overall, the process is simple, beginner-friendly, and takes only a few steps to create custom AI influencers and avatars. Now, let's create a character simply by describing it with text. First, I'm selecting the photorealistic style because I want the character to look as realistic and natural as possible. Next, I'm describing the character as a young Indian technology presenter with a professional appearance. Then, I'll select the AI model and click on Generate. And here is the final result. I think the character looks quite realistic and professional. The facial details, clothing, and overall presentation look surprisingly natural. This feature can be useful if you don't have a reference image and want to create custom presenters, AI influencers, or marketing characters from scratch. Next, we have Build Your Character. The process is quite simple. First, choose the character style and gender. Then, select the age group and region according to your requirements. After that, enter your prompt, select the AI model, and click on Generate. This feature gives you more control over the character creation process and can be useful when you want to create more specific and customized AI presenters or influencers. And finally, we have the Influencer Generator. This feature lets you quickly create ready-to-use AI influencers without going through a complicated setup process. Now that we've created our characters, it's time to move on to one of the platform's most interesting features, UGC Add Video. In the UGC Add Video feature, first, you need to upload your product image or app reference images. Next, you can select an influencer from the gallery or even use a character that you've created yourself. After that, simply enter your prompt and choose a voiceover. You can also select the video format depending on where you want to publish your content. Finally, click on Generate. In my case, each generated video uses 20 credits. For this demo, I'm using my custom Techno wireless earbuds product image and a female AI influencer. Let's see how UGCvideo AI creates a social media style promotional advertisement from just a product image and a few instructions. So, wait and watch. And here is the final result.
Wait, I finally found the perfect wireless earbuds. Meet Techno Yara. Seriously, these are a game changer. The design is so premium and the deep bass, absolutely insane. Plus, you get massive battery life and fast charging when you're in a rush. They fit so comfortably. I wear them all day without any issues. Click the link to grab yours now.
Honestly, this came out better than I expected. The AI influencer, voice, and overall presentation look quite natural, and the entire ad was created from just a product image and a few instructions. The generated ad feels surprisingly natural and could easily be used for social media promotions and marketing campaigns. Next, we have the UGC Image Generator. This feature allows you to create marketing and social media images using AI. You can generate custom visuals based on your requirements, which can be useful for advertisements, product promotions, and content creation. Let's quickly generate an image and see how it works. First, select the AI model. Then, if you want, you can choose a template. Under the Describe Your Image section, you can optionally add a character, reference images, or product images to guide the generation process. Next, simply describe the image you want to create and select the output settings according to your requirements. Finally, choose the number of images you want to generate and click on the Generate button. Here is the final result. If you want any changes, you can regenerate the image. For example, I'm using a reference image of Techno Yara wireless earbuds with the same prompt. As you can see, the result looks good and clear. Next, we have the UGC Video feature. This tool allows you to create complete UGC-style videos using AI influencers and custom assets. Let's see how it works. First, select the AI model from the menu. Under the Describe Your Video section, you can optionally add a character and reference product images to guide the video generation process. Then, simply enter your prompt. After that, you can add sound effects, choose the output settings, select the number of videos you want to generate, and click on the Generate button. Now, you can see the result.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Techno Yara. Today I'm excited to introduce an AI platform called UGCvideo AI. With this tool, you can create realistic AR promotional content in just a few clicks.
Next, we have the Talking Video feature. This tool allows you to create AI presenter videos by simply selecting a character, adding a script, and choosing a voice. Let's quickly generate a talking avatar and see how natural the result looks. First, select your AI influencer. You can also try the community influencers provided by the platform. Next, enter your script and, if needed, upload your own audio. You can also describe gestures to make the character's movements feel more natural. Finally, select the video format, choose the number of videos you want to generate, and click on the Generate button. And here is the final result. Finally, we have motion sync. This feature is designed to make AI characters look more expressive and natural by adding realistic movements and gestures. I won't go into a full demo due to time, but it's another useful feature available inside the platform. Next, we have Community. Here, you can explore images, videos, and characters created by other users of this platform. And under the Assets section, you can find all your generated videos, images, and other content in one place.
If you want to master AI tools and take your content creation to the next level, you need to check out technoyara. Their tutorials make complex AI animation and video tech super easy to learn. Definitely subscribe to technoyara to stay ahead in the AI game.
So this was today's video. I hope you found this video informative and useful. If you have any question or suggestions related to this video, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos related AI and technology. Thanks for watching.